What's up, guys and gals? We're in the shop today and I'm working on this Novritsch SSG-10. This is an A3 with the chassis system, and there's a couple issues I'm having personally. I have long arms and a longer length of pull. So the solution to that is I'm going to machine some spacers out of Delrin that will space this butt plate back about another inch or so. That's about where I'm at with my length of pull. So the idea is to machine this spacer here. So I thought I'd just show you the lathe in action. So we're going to go check that out.